Hello everybody, I'm Minyal Rajkumar. Now the world is fighting for COVID-19 or coronavirus, a very pandemic disease. So due to COVID-19, conversations are not cancelled, relationships are not cancelled, music is not cancelled, self-care is not cancelled, and unconditional love is also not too cancelled. So there is something which is very special. This year will not pass like that of that last year. This year is very special and that's why it's called 2020. So you have learned to be free. You have learned to serve yourself for others. You have learned hard work from social workers like police, doctors, and other society cleaners who are giving their own life to save us from coronavirus. My real hero was someone who give their own life every day to make this world a better place. So God is someone who created us, but doctors were someone who brought us to this new world. So today I am very proud in teaching you a wonderful poster of a doctor who is saying to serve his own life, to save our life and to give up his own life. So today I am going to teach you a better poster and the materials required are. So the first one you need is a A4 sheet or a A5 sheet. So the second one you need is a pencil and the third one you need is an eraser. So now let's begin the session. And now, so this is the poster that I am going to teach you today. So first take a paper and now take a neat pencil you have. So first we are going to start from the top, friends. So first we are going to draw a hat. So make sure that you have a very light sketching of first, then you can make it dark if you think that okay, this will be better for us to draw. So friends, make sure the hat must be in this shape, and next I'm going to draw some plots here, the hat plots, and now let me draw it first. So friends, after drawing the plots like this, and now what you have to do is you have to draw a front hair for your doll. So now I have drew like this, and now after drawing it, draw a U shape for your face. It should be, make sure that it should be very light for naked. So next we can do it. So first this is a just a rough drawing, and next we can make a fair copy of it. So after drawing a U shaped face for the doll, so now I'm going to draw eyebrows. So it can be any type. So here I'm using a V-shaped eyebrow, perfect V-shaped eyebrow. So we can do it as per your choice. You can draw the eyebrow very thick or thin. So this is what I have drew. And now let's draw the eyes now. For the shape of the eyebrow, the same shape should be that of the eyes. So make sure that the eyes is a bit larger because it would be good looking. So after drawing a leaf shaped eye, what you have to do now is you have to draw a small circle for the eyeball inside, and you have to shade it darkly, leaving a center of circle free. So that is the white layer inside our eye. So shade them very darkly. So using a pencil is best more than the usage of sketches. So see here friends, so now I have drew it. So after drawing, now it's time to draw a nose. So just draw a curve shaped, small curved shaped nose like this. So like this. And now draw a mask for your doll. So after drawing mask, you can shade your mask, or you can do something like doodles inside. So here I'm going to draw doodles with designs like petal shaped designs. So we can cover the whole mask using doodles so that it will look very beautiful. So friends, after decorating the mask, now draw plates like this. So now let me teach you how to draw a plate. So here let me teach you with a rough paper. So friends, what you have to do is, first make sure that there should be two curves like this starting, and next it should continue. You can draw 3 to 4 curves like these, and now at last let it free like this. So this is how you should draw a plate. So draw this at the edges, so make sure that it should be like this at the side of the girl. So now see this image, I have drew it like that, and now what I'm going to do now is, you can draw a neck corner here, and then you should draw a shirt after it. Like this, it is an overcoat for that girl. Just see here friends, make sure that it should be like this. And next what I'm going to do is, so after completing the shirt design, now so friends, after drawing that, now let me teach you how to draw a beautiful spectacle. So if you want, you can draw a spectacle, or else you can just leave it free. So now let me teach you how to draw it. So friends, leave the eye at center here and draw a small straight line and a curve emerging from it. So this is the first step you have to draw. Now draw a middle connecting line for this coverage. And now draw the same another. So this is what I have to draw the spectacles, and make sure that this two connects at the edge of the face here. So see this image, I have drawn it. So next what we have to do is, we have to shade this area at the shirt side. So now let me do that. So now take the pencil and hold it like this. So now shade the edges friends. So if you are comfortable with pencil, you can, or else you can use, if you are having not a microtic pencil, and if you have something like this, you can sharp that, and you can use the powders of that to shade it well. So just shaded the borders of the line that we have drawn. So see, after shading the borders like this, now let me draw a overcoat. So friends, now draw overcoat like this, and now just shaded the borders of that. So friends, just see it now. So after drawing, now let me draw a symbol of heart saying we serve for you. So draw a small heart image at the side of the overcoat, and draw a symbol of blood pressure there. So this is how to draw that, and that's all. Now the image is completely finally see here, you can draw a double plated image poster like this, or you can do a single plate poster like this. So it is any choices of yours. So here I have given you two ideas of it. So now medicines can cure our disease, but the good inspirational words of the doctors can make it more better and very easy to cure. So the social workers who are giving their life and fighting for this corona are really great and amazing. They are one who we are blessed with, and they are impossible to forget, and they are very hard to forget them at all. So friends, united we stand once, divided we cannot fall again. So stand united and now fight against this COVID-19. So now let me take the final time of my schedule to thank every social workers who are doing a best job with love and affection and more even a better commitment. So thank you once again and hats off to you all, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe and share this in our channel, and I'll meet you with many pencil shading sceneries like this and meet you once again soon. Bye.